So what happens when Jeep decides to build an all-electric SUV? You get the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S, a vehicle that doesn't just whisper luxury, it roars performance. This isn't some half-baked crossover pretending to be bold. This is the first all-electric Jeep designed to command every inch of the road. And it does. With the authority of a boss, let's start with the design. The front grille? Iconic. The 7-slot LED light bar stretches across a face that looks like it means business. The whole thing is sculpted like a modern yacht, smooth, aerodynamic and classy. It's lower, sleeker, and more aggressive than anything Jeep has built before. Even the roof spoiler isn't for show, it cuts drag like a razor, helping the Wagoneer S hit a jaw-dropping drag coefficient of just 0.29. That's sports car territory. Step inside, and it's a different world. A luxury space pod wrapped in leather and tech. Heated and ventilated seats, customizable ambient lighting, a massive 45 inches of total screen space, including a touchscreen just for the passenger. It's minimal, modern, and everything feels intentional. There's even a Macintosh sound system pumping out clean, crisp audio. This isn't just a cabin, it's a lounge with launch control. Now let's talk power. The Wagoneer S Launch Edition packs a beast. 600 horsepower and 617 pound-feet of torque. That's right, 600 horses in a Jeep. This monster does 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. That's supercar quick. And it's all electric. Instant torque, zero lag, no drama. Just a silent punch that throws you back in your seat. Range? You're looking at 300 miles on a full charge. With fast charging, you can jump from 20 to 80% in just over 20 minutes. That means more driving, less waiting. Jeep built this to go places, and it does on pavement, not the trail. Let's be honest, this isn't the Wrangler. The Wagoneer S is a street-focused SUV with grip, not ground clearance. No rock crawling here, just smooth, controlled power on asphalt, but don't get it twisted. This isn't a soft EV for yoga moms. It's a boss-level cruiser for drivers who want presence, power, and prestige. It may wear the Jeep badge, but it's dressed in a tailored electric suit. And when you hit the throttle, it delivers. Of course, no car is perfect. The ride gets stiff on broken pavement. And if you were hoping for true off-road capability, this ain't it. But for what it's built to be, an electric luxury SUV with punch, it nails the mission. The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S isn't here to beg for attention. It takes it. With bold looks, wicked speed, and electric confidence, this isn't just a new Jeep, this is a new attitude. So if you're the kind who leads from the front, this right here is your ride. Because in 2025, boss is car.